Okay, I'm back with my new HP, and I want to show you what it is doing. Do you see this flickering? I haven't used this computer 1 hour. Maybe I've used it 1 hour, but it hasn't been steady use. It's been used like, okay, loading my Word on the computer, Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and all of that. Loading, putting your picture on your desktop. I don't even, if you still call it a desktop, but I just been doing preliminary stuff like that. Like I'm not even finished. The basic stuff, learning how to fully use Windows 8 because I've had Windows 7 for the last 5 years and like it. And so what it'll do is, see that flashing? It'll do that for many seconds or whatnot. And then it'll just kind of do a little spinning motion like it's thinking after it does this enough cycles. And then it'll just start back flashing again. And I'm very disappointed. Of course, it's going back to Best Buy today. Let me see if I can find the spinning. Because, see, at this point, you should see the icons on the screen. But it just keeps doing that. I've turned it off, turned it on. The only thing I haven't did was taking the battery out. And I haven't taken the battery out on purpose because this is a new computer. I shouldn't have to fix it. And I'm going to call HP in a moment. The computer is still going back today. I'm going to call HP in a moment. They had me troubleshooting and doing all this kind of stuff. I don't want to do it. And I don't want to do it because this is a new computer. I don't want to fix a new computer. If I'm fixing a new computer, I'm tech support and you have to pay me or give me a discount or something like that. I didn't buy a computer to fix a computer. And, I might be being a little over the top. But when I Google this computer, of course, it's new. So it's not a lot available on this computer. But when I pulled up the flickering in this screen, a lot of other HPs came up with the same flickering. And it was going over ways to fix it. And it's like, okay, restore it. Do this. Okay, go back to restore to an earlier point. Okay, if that doesn't work, I'm like, what? I'm not doing that. So, that's if that works. But I'm still going to get on the phone with HP because I'm disappointed that, this, like I said, I've seen this. When I pulled it up, other HPs was having this problem, and HP was giving them different things to try. I don't like that with a new computer. Like I said, I've had it up for an hour. I haven't used it for a complete hour. I'm still trying to learn this Windows 8. And, I just haven't completely learned it yet. But I'm disappointed. Just want to show you what it's doing. If I have something interesting enough that HP adds, I will add on to this video. If not, this will be the end of this video. This computer is going back today. And I just wanted to do a follow-up video because I know a lot of people unbox. A lot of people set up computers online. Oh, what is it doing now? A lot of people set up computers online, on YouTube. But I want to know how it's really performing, how it stacks up. And if the computer doesn't stack up to what it's supposed to, come back, make a video, let us know. Because, some people on the market, they're kind of, shopping for a little bit. And they're not in a rush to purchase. And they kind of want to see what's available, what's the performance, and what it's doing. So, I was told in the store that number 1 is Lenovo. Number 2 is Asus, if I'm pronouncing it right. And number 3 is HP. I want a Lenovo, but the stuff that was going on with Lenovo with some kind of malware or something right now. You know, so gonna see what happens, what I'm gonna end up getting, and thank you for watching. Okay, so I'm back. About to box up this HP. I got off the phone with customer service, and customer service, when I told them I'm basically not willing to do much troubleshooting, but what they took me through, and I even told her whatever she takes me through, I'm still probably going to return it because I would be concerned about this happening again. But she took me through kind of some basic troubleshooting where you go through F10, keep clicking F10, and we went through the BIOS system. I think it's called System Utility was at the top of it. And basically we clicked a few things inside of there, and the point was it didn't fix it. And she was just saying that it's a faulty computer. It's a faulty computer, and I was asking her that I told her I read that this was happening with quite a few HPs. Why? What's going on? What's HP doing about it? Why is it doing this? And she was just saying, that didn't make me feel too good. And I know, that's a doozy of a question. So I want to know why and why not, and what is the company's stance on this, that, and the other. And she was just stating something along the lines of the processor. Like, you have a really good computer, but maybe it's moving too fast. That's why I picked the i5, because I wanted the i5. I previously had an Intel Pentium, and so the option was an i3, i5, I believe it's even i7. And anyway, I picked the i5, and she says it's probably processing too fast. I don't know if that's true, if that's not true, etc., etc. But she says it's probably going too fast. And then, she was just trying to come up with an answer. And, she said it was a faulty computer. Could have been something with shipping. When you bought it at Best Buy, was it open? And my box was sealed. If you looked at my videos, it's a sealed box, and I told her I wouldn't even have bought it if it was unsealed. She wanted to know that they tested in the store, and so anyway, it's a faulty computer. I'm taking it back today. She said it was faulty and it should have been fixed with what we did. I mean, if somebody wanted it, I'm sure they could send it off to HP, but I'm not. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps. Bye.